Okay, let's log into the console. Go to IAM. We're going to go over here to users. We're going to add a new user, Taylor Smith. Want him to have programmatic as well as management console. You can set this any way you want. I prefer to just generate the password. Next, we add permissions, and you typically do permissions by just assigning a group here. So we're going to add this user to the group. We can put tags on it, which I usually do. Who owns this resource? And next, we're going to review it. We're going to go ahead and, by the way, you can always click here, open in a new tab, and that's going to show you the permissions that someone with the admin profile has. And as you can see, if you look at the Access Advisor, it's going to list out all the services they have access to. Okay, so all we're going to do there is go ahead and create the user. And at that point, we've got Taylor Smith. Here's his access key, his secure key. We can download that, and so we can send it as an email, right? And if we send it as an email, and that's pretty much it, buddy.